Hey, I'm Christian, and I'm recording this for the RMIT UI design course, and this is my Bruno's best friend dog walking service project. So what I'm showing here, I'm starting with all the model. Sorry for the previous one, but this is the whole environment and colors and textures and experience wanted to show, like a really predominant green color with the concrete, as you can see, because yeah, if you're walking a dog walking from the street to the park, so I'm trying to vary these colors between concrete, like the gray one to the green one, which is the park, and some yellows because yeah, it's a highlight. And yeah, dogs loves balls, so basically a tennis ball is like really iconic for a dog toy. So this is like the graphic, the user graphic, and all the context I wanted to use in my app. Going to the UI flow, wanted to create a landing page which shows the exact amount of information, including the map, obviously, because I need to show straight away what's the service and how easy it is to find a dog walker. So it goes to basically basic information, to the logging, to the dog walking profile, the dog owner profile, to update the dog information from the owner profile, and you can update the same as well for the dog walker profile. With this, you can access to a service profile. You can see if you're able or unavailable, and this information will get updated to the area or location to another window to the map, which both the dog owner and the dog walker can see. So both agree if they have the time and availability in order to get to the payment, and sending an email confirmation, which will take again back to the user page. So the first design UI was really simple, from the landing page to the login to the division between which one we would like to access, and all the information you would like to have, like the dog profile from the owner, or the availability from the dog walker, like available and unavailable. Moving to all the final UI design, all the assets are here. From the font, the contrast on all the image, really clean, simple, not so many gradients, to the buttons, to the icons, trying to get like really updated to the trend of the icon and emojis, to the color contrast with the predominant green and clean white, with all the accessibility requirements between AA and AAA, and some clean input fields. So these end up in the prototype, which is here. It's quite messy, hey? So yeah, looks messy, but as you can see, it's really simple and really clear. You can understand from the landing page what they do and what they offer. So I kept all the information really reachable for the phone, so you can access with a simple movement of the font, everything reachable, except for this content, which is like, yeah, should be like so low, but it can be accessed anyway. So I kept everything reachable and the not so important information on top. So basically you can offer a free service here, going to the info obviously, because you need to log in as a new user. And yeah, some error loading icons, and yeah, everything, it's really easy, really clean, simple, with quick access. Going to the profile of the users, you can access to simple chat. And when everything's done, you can book an appointment and select a time, keeping simple, just making sure that everything's rich. And yeah, everything can be checked on the link to navigate. So that's it. Thank you.